It was a big personal reason for me to want to come to improv, overcoming anxiety and getting out of my shell and starting to be more fun. And very, very quickly, Adam makes it so comfortable, but he also is very good at elevating the speed in which you learn. And so suddenly, week after week, it just becomes more fun. And what I found is that when I go out of improv into my normal life, that I'm so much more connected. I'm a better person. I start to really not worry so much about what people are thinking. So as much as it being a fantastic point for me to entertain and be fun in the moment, it's also super useful and has been profound for me on the impact of my life outside of the class. I think number one has to be confidence, being able to just hold my head up high and be in conversations and just feel a lot more natural, which is really why I came in the first place. Also, just, I would say, exhilaration, it's just being here and just laughing and also making amazing connections with like-minded people. I think that community is super important. And so for me, just having a regular weekly evening that I can come to and be myself has been, super valuable. And also connecting. I actually have on my wrist here a band that says connection. And, the group has helped me connect with other people, but also more importantly, connect with myself.